Hey, how's it going? So here we are, one last time, at the end of this school year, right? So here is this week's assignment. Nothing too terribly long, I don't think. Um, in fact, let's be frank, the real key thing for everyone right now is, hey, just make sure you're not missing any assignments. If you are, again, I have the nice big long list there under Ermagerd. Missing an assignment, look here. If there's anything in the Skyward as a zero, at the moment that you look at this, that's where you can find it. Um, Also, if there's anything that you have submitted, please let me know. I am still wrapping up the grades of stuff that I do have now. Um, so yeah, just double check my work as well. If there's something that you're like, dude, I definitely did this, let me know. We can figure it out. And really, that's going to be the key thing this week. Okay. Excuse me. I will have office hours like normal. Uh oh. No, no, that's not one. I will have the office hours just like normal. So again, that's going to be really the time to let's troubleshoot this. I'm not really going to have an online class at all. Again, it's just going to be time to really check in, make sure everything's up to date, or even if you just want to hang out and chat. Because what am I going to teach you on this last week of school? However, there are a couple of things I would like you to do. Number one, I have a real quick reflection here. This is partially, how did this online stuff go for you? But this is a lot of feedback for me as well, personally. Um, I don't know, just what I'm seeing in the news. I just kind of want to, if we have to do this again, I kind of want to be better at it. So please be perfectly honest here. This is not going to reflect anything grade wise or anything like that. In fact, I'm probably not going to look at it until after my grades have to be finalized. But I'm just looking for feedback from y'all about how things went. How could I possibly make things easier in the future if need be? What worked well for you? What didn't work well for you? All right, all those things. You are probably already aware that Mrs. Darty is holding a picnic online via Zoom later in the week. I've included a link here as well because the rest of your team teachers are going to be interrupting that as well. So please feel free to stop by, say hello. And last thing I did include was our museum of artifacts about the old COVID-19. I know I'm going to be constantly adding to this as I go forward. So thank you, those of you that contributed. If you need some ideas just to kind of wrap that up, that's fine as well. Um, but hey, take a moment and join in with that. Otherwise, that's really everything I have for you guys schoolwork wise. So with that being said, if I don't get a chance to see you virtually uh, with Mrs. Doherty, Mrs. Truex, and Mrs. Gravano, you all have been a fantastic bunch of young scholars um, these this whole last school year, including this last 2.5 months of just bizarre craziness. Um, Honestly, we've been hearing some interesting stories from some of the other teachers in the school, and in no way, shape, or form have we had the horror stories that they have had. You guys have been awesome, 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 awesome through this. So thank you for all of your hard work. Keep it up. It'll make you guys will be successful in high school by far. Um, this is, of course, a very awkward and weird way to end a school year. So what I will definitely say to all you all, um, just like every other school year, I do have a yearbook. You have an open invitation to come on down to sign that thing because this has definitely been an interesting year. Um, and yeah, it would be boring just to have a really empty grade yearbook like that. Um, so yeah. Anyway, honestly, you all have been awesome. Even those of you who I've had to yell at before, it's been a pleasure teaching with you, um, and learning from each other really. And now I'm getting really sentimental, so I'll keep this short. It is beautiful outside right now. I hope you're enjoying this weekend. I hope you have a fantastic summer. Best of luck in high school, of course. And I guess I'll see you when I see you.